everyone, it's great to see you. I had one of the best kinds of deliveries today, a Mr. Maple's live plant box, and that is always exciting. So I happen to remember what I ordered in here, which is good. There are 2 plants, one of which is going to be in a planter. So let's take a look. Oh yes. So the first item I have in here is a Japanese maple. This is the Kawa Hime, and this is a dwarf coral bark. So it gets these beautiful lime green leaves in the spring, summer, and then in the fall it turns a really, really bright yellow, and in the winter the bark turns that beautiful bright red. Now this is a dwarf tree, so it only gets to be about 6 to 8 feet tall in 10 years, and it is, Pickle really likes it too, it is hardy down to zone 6 up through zone 9, and I'm thinking that I'm going to keep this one in one of my planters as a focal piece. So you know, of course, that I have my new conifer and Japanese maple garden, but I'm trying to keep some in planters too to move around, and this planter might actually sit in that garden for now because there's plenty of space in between those trees, but I think I'm going to keep it in the planter so I can move it around. Oh, it smells delicious, doesn't it? So the other thing that we have in here is another conifer. Oh, look at how adorable this is. And it's already this sort of conical shape, this cone shape here. And the name of this particular one is Daisy's White. It is a white pine, and it is a white spruce, and it is going to be a slow grower. It's going to get about 2 to 3 feet tall and only about a foot wide. So once again, this is nice and small, and I don't have any spruce up in the new garden. At least I don't think I do. Nope. So I need to add this one to the new garden. I was really excited to see these. And one thing that I'm really pleased with Mr. Maple is that they do all these great, show the tree videos for YouTube, and a lot of times they're in high demand. So this particular tree, you can go in and say, please notify me when it's available if it's sold out at that time. And I had done that a while ago. And then I got the alert email that it was back in stock. So very quickly I ordered my Kawa Hime here, and sure enough, I got it this time. But I had to make sure that I checked out quickly because a lot of times they have limited numbers of those that are either more rare or more popular. So it worked out really well, and I knew that, yes, even though I had said I wasn't ordering any more, well, when you get an alert like that, it's only available for a short time. You just have to order. So thanks to Mr. Maple, not a sponsor, but I really enjoy their products so much. They just do a great job with their plants. And I love getting a package in the mail that can bring so much happiness. And thanks for the great box for Pickle too. And I hope you all have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video.